I'm going to need a bigger craft table. Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. I am Vanna. I'm the voice behind those talking hens, you know, that annoying, always keeps rambling. Yeah, okay. Anyway, this is part 4. Yes, we have reached part 4 of our 5-part. Today we're putting the roof on our fairy houses. And I'm going to show you 3 kinds. We're going to have bark, real bark off a tree. Actually, it's off of a piece of wood from my wood pile. We're going to have moss that I bought from Joann's, and some kind of grass that I also bought from Joann's. And we're going to build chimneys and put the lights in, and all kinds of fun and totally messy things to do. So stay tuned and let's head on over and find out what we need and get to work, shall we? And there they are. Aren't these just adorable? We have the bark, which came off a wood from my wood pile. The moss and the grass, they both came from Joann's. And of course the rocks and the light came from the Dollar Tree. And I used silicone because I knew I wanted them outdoors. I wanted them to be able to at least last through the summer. And being the waterproof and everything, it should get me through the summer. So, I hope you really enjoyed these. And remember, this is part 4 of 5. One more to go. And the last one will be the details. And just adding little things so these little fairy houses look like they are lived in. So, just one more to go, guys. And I really, really, really want to thank you guys for taking that time out of your day to spend with me. And I hope you were able to find that little bit of inspiration to get your imagination going. And if you enjoyed these tutorials and would like to see more, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And it might tell you when I upload my next one, which is usually, well, actually it is always Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Unless I mistake Thursday for Friday, which I have done. Yeah, but I'm only human. And I really, really, really want to thank you guys for hanging in there, for talking with me, laughing at me. I love it. I really adore you guys. And I really hope you have a great week. I will see you in a couple days. And remember, I love you. Bye-bye now.